So hi there folks, this is Margaret coming to you live from 1281 Fox Court, and we are going to go for a little tour of this gorgeous property. I'll start out with, we are on a cul-de-sac, so lots of privacy, lots of trees, super nice area. So we walk in, and of course we've got our formal living room, formal dining room, huge hallway. Look at all this space here. So no getting crowded as you go this way. So we do have a bath here, and this one is a full bath. We do have a shower. And then this was used as an office, but it can definitely be a bedroom. Again, front door. Got this cool kitchen. We got a little desk area on the side here. Big pantry area. There's a newer refrigerator. Stove. Rolling island. Super, super cute, folks. Look at all these cabinets. And again, front door. We've got all the built-ins along the side here for all your knickknacks. Go into a huge living room area, wood-burning fireplace. Got our nice open concept bar area there. And we do have this gorgeous heated in-ground spa there. So you can step right out and enjoy that. Huge primary bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. We've got a tub, we've got shower, another walk-in closet, 2 sinks. Absolutely gorgeous. Got a patio that runs the entire length of the house, so plenty of space there. And as we go across to the other side, we've got another full bath, 2 sinks, huge bedroom, another huge bedroom, and a laundry room, lots of shelving, nice big garage. So we do have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1281 Fox Court here in Titusville. Gorgeous kitchen area. One more quick look at that. Focal point of everybody's home these days. Wood-burning fireplace. Skylights. I'll step out back here so you can see this gorgeous patio area. Nice spot. Can't help myself. I put my toes in there. Nice water bottle. And this gorgeous yard. Oh, it's privacy. Got a fire pit over there in the center. Roof's less than a year old. Newer AC. Heated spa. What more could you ask for, folks? So again, we are at 1281 Fox Court here in Titusville, Florida. If you would like to see this amazing home in person, give me a call, 321-480-7662. Thanks so much. Margaret Klein signing off. Bye-bye.